In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a weighted average in Google Sheets. A weighted average helps you combine numbers when some values should count more than others. Think of grades where tests count more than quizzes, or sales where premium items have higher impact. Instead of treating everything equally, you apply weights to each value, then compute a single, balanced result. Start by opening your Google Sheets on desktop so you can access the full formula bar and select ranges easily. Click the cell where you want the weighted average to appear. Choosing the result cell first keeps everything organized and ensures your formula goes exactly where you need it. Now move to the formula bar and type COUNT or sum product. This function multiplies each value by its corresponding weight and adds the results together. With the parenthesis open, select the range for the values you want to average, for example, A2 through A5. You'll see A2, A5 appear inside the formula. Type a comma, then select the range for the matching weights, such as B2 through B5. It's important these two ranges line up 1 to 1. The first value in A2 will be multiplied by the weight in B2, A3 by B3, and so on. Mismatched sizes or out-of-sync rows will cause errors or incorrect results. Close the parenthesis to finish sum product and immediately divide by the sum of the weights. Do that by typing SEM B2 B5. Your formula should now look like X sum product A2 A5 B2 B5 SEM B2 B5. This division step is what turns a total weighted sum into a true weighted average by normalizing against the combined weight. Press Enter to calculate the result. You'll see a single number that reflects each value's contribution based on its weight. If your weights are percentages, like 20% or 0.2, both are fine as long as they're consistent. The denominator sum B2 B5 takes care of the scaling. If a weight is 0, that item simply contributes nothing, which is expected behavior. If the formula returns an error or seems off, double-check that both ranges include the same number of rows, that there are no stray text entries in your value or weight columns, and that you've placed the comma separating the two ranges inside sum product. Remember, the ranges here, A2, A5, and B2, B5, are just examples. Adjust them to match where your data actually lives. And that's it. You've created a clean, reliable weighted average with a single formula in Google Sheets.